Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to turn on flashlight on iPhone. But first, what you want to do is just go to your lock screen, then tap and hold on the flashlight icon right here at the very bottom on the left corner. So this is one way to do it, and the other way to do it is just by going to your home screen right here, or just like anywhere, and just by swiping on the top right corner of your screen to reveal the control center. And here you will see an option to adjust your flashlight. You could just simply tap on it, but if you want to adjust the brightness level, just simply tap and hold on it. As you can see, you could upgrade or just level up your flashlight. So you can go up to levels of 1, 2, 3, and 4. And here at the very bottom, it will be set to off. That's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.